Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable fast boot on MSI Gaming Edge motherboard. So first of all we'll need to enter BIOS, then navigate to the advanced settings by clicking on F7 on your keyboard. Then enter the motherboard settings. Here we want to scroll down to the boot, and on the bottom of it you can find fast boot that we can activate or deactivate. There's also MSI fast boot that you can do the same thing with, so enable or disable it as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.